ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಉಂಟ್ಲೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಅಬ್ಬಣ ಹಾಂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ದಾದಾ ಅಪ್ಪುಜಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಹಾಂ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಯರ್ ಉಂಟು ನೋ ವೇಟ್ now push that inside yes put it inside ಬಿಡ್ಲೆ ಹೊರ ಬಿಡ್ಲೆ ಬಿಡ್ಲೆ
ನೀರು ತೆಗೆದ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್
Contact Girish boy.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಪಿರೋ ಐತ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಇನಫ್ yes okay one recovery
that is like a border digging machine.
yes
that was great.
You're getting back super tired, super duper tired. That's crazy. Complete madness overloaded. What a beautiful trail track. And then for adventure you have elephant dunks here and there, which he says is just about a week old. ಮಾಡುದಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. Oh, wait. So we have a casualty. Let's go. Wait. अंचो वही पहुंची आराम से ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಅಲ್ಪ ಕೈ ಕೊರ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಒಂಥರ ಜಾಗಿದ್ದೆ. One, two, three, start. Yes. Huh? Endu patande. Ora push kar le. Yes.
ಗಂಗಾ, ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಗೋದಾವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನದಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಯಾವ್ದಂಡೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮೂಜೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ. Beautiful man, beautiful, crazy. Hats off to you. Hats off. Brilliant stuff. Go stay there, we'll game. आराम से. No stress. भले भले. उनसे yes. ಏನು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ಲೇ. So you see how deep is the water, which is about close to about 8 to 10 inches. So just recovered, Highness, but then hats off to her man. Where he's holded on to his nerves and still continued riding, which is brilliant. And these are all the elephant dunk. என்ன ಅಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಪೋಯಿನದ ಒಂದ್ಲೆ 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 ಬರ್ಪೆ ಬರಡ 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 ಒಂದ್ಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಲೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಹೋದೆ
ಅವು ಮಿಕ್ಸಡ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಗೊತ್ತಾ
Look at this, guys, look at this place. And it's just rained, so the entire thing is so slippery. And guess what's happened with our motorcycles? That's Hermes taking a sleeping dive, and then there's X-Pulse, that's Kirtan's X-Pulse, that's also sleeping. What an amazing experience this has been. It's just too good of an experience. Didn't expect this jungle ride would be this fun. And this is the third time I think I had to drop Hermes. Sorry Hermes, didn't mean to do that, but then sorry. And finally Kirtan has his opening bonus. So yeah, what to do. So that's all for this video, guys. I'm gonna end this video because my GoPro is dead, my Insta360 is dead, mobile phone is gonna go dead very soon. So just wanted to cover this last bit. And now we are riding back, and you see the peak there, and it's raining again, and you look, this entire place is so slushy, just can't ride. Crazy. Peace out. What a beautiful morning is this. Check out.